Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in your Envoy Mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to get logged in your Envoy Mortgage, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.envoymortgage.com. Once you do so, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap open my account section. So once you tap open my account, you will be redirected to this page where all you need to do is simply scroll down below and tap on my account in the Envoy account. So once you are here, simply type in your username and then type in your password of your account. And once you're done filling in both the credentials, all you need to do is simply tap on the login button. By doing this, you will be easily logged in into your Envoy Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.